Okay, I've got some topics for you. You can see talk about the flowers. I've got different other topics. So you can have a cue card like this on the day of the exam. You can see there are some points that you can utilize when you think you need them. If you want to rely upon your own points that you want to make in those 60 seconds, you can do that as well. So, got a topic for you, the flowers. So you can take not more than 60 seconds. This is a very good way or perfect way to make your points. Use these bullet points, not write or not make more than 5 or 6 points. Okay? If you just want to write down the detailed notes that usually students do, when I ask them to make points, they start making points right in the form of the speech. They write the speech down and then therefore they read it from here. Basically, the speaking isn't comes from here. You just write down and you just read it. That will be reading, not speaking. The speaking comes directly from here and from here. So if you are taking 5 or 10 minutes at your home, that's your practice. But don't write the points in detailed form. Write them down in bullets and have a glance on one point, other point, and keep on rolling. Okay, when we think about the word flower, it really brings some sense of fragrance, sense of beauty, and yes, the freshness. Okay, so there are different types that are found around the world. That we know them, a number of flowers that we know them. Some of them we don't know, and we also have in our area. So when we look around the world, you can find them in the valleys, you can find them in the top of the mountains, you can find them in the fields, you can find them in the flower beds we have in different parks in our lawns, and we can have them in the flower pots as well, and as well as we can have them. So you can have them even on the surface of the water as well. Okay. So there are some types that are found in our area. You best know some of the types.
Yes.
Okay. And how many types do you know? Rose, lily, marigold, jasmine. Okay. Okay. Sunflower. Again, name it's not that okay. Red rose, white rose, yellow rose, black rose. It will be a rose family. You can name like 10, 15, 10, 12, whatever types you know, you can name them here. And obviously you can grow them if you have interest, and if you're one of your family members, because I learned that gardening from my mom. She passed away, but I remember that she used to have a lot of gardening. We had a lot of flower pots in front of our house, and she used to take care of those flowers. So you can grow them if you have interest. And how about artificial flowers? So we can have them in our houses. We can use them in the walls as well as we can see them in the curtains. That is printed on different clothes. You can see them, and obviously you can give them as a gift as well. It could be a great gift when somebody is admitted in the hospital.
On different occasions like birthday parties,
like funeral
ceremonies, different ceremonies.
Yeah, you can have a bunch of flowers.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. You can have it for your family members as well, for your siblings, for your parents.
Inauguration.
Yeah. Okay, you can have them. So we can really utilize more of the flowers, especially in the wedding ceremonies, in even where we have the birthday parties. Even okay, we really decorate the whole marriage halls. What is in our tradition is. Okay. And also we can also give them in the form of the gift. It could be a expensive gift to give. You can go to the fresh flower shop. You can have the flowers of your choice, and you can purchase them. You can give them as well. So this would be a great source of having the revenue as well. You can generate a lot of revenue if your country is having the fertile land, and you think that there is a lot of, because this is an agriculture country. Obviously, Pakistan is an agriculture country, so we can export a lot of flowers. Have you heard about the Brazilian flowers that they are being exported around the world? They are really famous. Sorry, the Brazilian roses are really famous around the world. So you can boost up your exports as well by exporting these flowers, and you can generate a lot of revenue. So these flowers are being used in the medicines for years now. Our forefathers, even the ancient people, they used to have a lot of, they used to make a lot of medicines out of the flowers as well to cure any disease. You can get the nectar of, yeah, okay. That is also used in the perfume as well. Because it's different. So even the flower seeds, such as we have sunflower, we have other flower that we can get the seeds, and we can get the oil from there that we can use in cooking, and we can also use it for any other purpose. So as you can see that we can talk a lot while making, after making these bullet points. Okay.